Mobile App Developer Roadmap, Zero to Job Ready. Why mobile development is huge. Most users access services through mobile apps. Apps are everywhere: banking, shopping, social media. What mobile developers do: build applications for Android, iOS. Step 1. Choose your path: Android, Java, Kotlin, iOS, Swift, or cross-platform Flutter, React Native. Step 2. Learn basics: programming fundamentals, UI components, navigation. Step 3. Build simple apps: calculator app, to-do list, notes app. Step 4. Learn API integration: connect app to backend, fetch and send data. Step 5. Understand databases: local storage, cloud databases. Step 6. Advanced features: authentication, push notifications, performance optimization. Step 7. Deploy your app: publish on Google Play Store, Apple App Store. What companies expect: working apps, UI/UX, understanding performance optimization, common mistakes, not building real apps, ignoring performance, skipping backend integration. The timeline: 4 to 8 months with consistent practice. Career path: junior developer, mobile developer, senior engineer. The final take: mobile apps drive user engagement. If users are on phones, apps matter. Mobile phone emoji, rocket emoji.